Welcome. This is how to fix Android camera's black screen. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, it means you have problem with permissions. So in order for you to fix this, you could just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your device. Now, here on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here apps. Now, here on the apps, you could just simply try to find the camera application, as you can see over here. Now, here on the camera, scroll down again a little bit, and you should be able to see here permissions. So here on the camera app, make sure to tap on the camera and make sure the camera is allowed. So guys, sometimes that happen because you have denied it. So from here, make sure everything is allowed. And I prefer also allowing almost everything and do not leave behind denied category down below. Now, there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.